Let's use algebra tiles to factorise this non-monic quadratic. So the first thing I like to do is add a little axes, and the reason I do this is because it helps me organise where I'm going to place my tiles. Only positive tiles can go in the first and third quadrant, and negative tiles in the second and fourth. So I'm going to start building this expression then. So I've got 2x squared, positive 2x squared, so they have to go in the positive quadrant. And then everything else is negative, negative 7x and negative 15. So I'm just going to grab 7x and I'm just going to chuck them in a negative quadrant for now, in any order, and my negative 15 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Notice I've not tried to make a rectangle yet, I'm just placing them in the correct quadrant. I could have, by the way, put these negative ones in the second quadrant as well, it makes no difference. Okay, how are we going to form a rectangle then? And we can try as we like here. We're never going to form a rectangle here with what I've got. I'm going to need some positive x tiles here. And this is where the idea of bringing in zero pairs will help for this. So if I bring in a positive x, I also need to bring in a negative x to keep the expression equal. And can I get closer to forming a rectangle? Not quite there, and hopefully you can see actually now the way I've set these out, I'm missing a couple of x tiles here, 1, 2, and if I bring in the same amount of negative tiles, then I make a perfect rectangle. So it's factorised, it's into its rectangular form, and its lengths, well, you read off the axes scale here, so from 0, 0, this length here is 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, and this length down here is x minus 5. So 2x plus 3, x minus 5 is the factorised form.